we're good right here. Dang, that was a big one. I'm just gonna hang out in the water so I don't get as cold. All right, we're gassing up, getting ready to go on another trip to the Texas coast. We had to pick up somebody.
Oh, yes. I'm like, who are you talking to?
Oh my gosh. Do you not know me?
Too well.
There's people sleeping. There you go. Light.
This is my room.
Really? No.
No, for real. This is actually my room.
So what, I'm just in the doghouse still? What the heck?
Pull-out couch.
What? I get a pull-out couch? Yes, there's a TV.
I swear. I like this.
You could have hooked your switch up.
Yo, Dad.
It's Brooke. Good morning.
We're on an island. Hi. Look at this beautiful.
All right, so we rented a golf cart and we're gonna go get some breakfast before heading to the beach. And somebody's still getting ready. Yes, we're leaving. Where'd you think we were going? You turned it on?
Yeah.
Oh, then, oh, it does have a cup holder. But she didn't push the thing.
Yes, I did.
No.
Yeah,
I
there.
did.
How am I gonna drink this?
Set it down.
I'm drinking it. Girls, remember, there's no seatbelt, so you gotta really try to hang on, okay?
Yeah, well, it doesn't help when you're like.
I will try not to drive like a local, and you try to stay on. I didn't realize it was gonna bounce like all hell on that thing. $99 to rent this stupid thing. After breakfast, we headed back to our rented condo to pick up some supplies before heading to the beach, which was literally just down the street. After realizing we could park closer to the water just a little bit further down the beach, we decided to relocate our parking situation. Apparently, an iPhone makes for a good vanity mirror.
What? I have to see myself if I'm white.
Where are we gonna set up? Whatever you do, save yourself the money and time spent trying to set this up and possibly having it fly away. Last year, our Easy Up shelter fell victim to the wind. As many do on the beaches here, are almost always windy. So we picked up one of these umbrellas thinking it would be a good alternative solution. Well, it turns out that it just was not worth it for our situation. Perhaps if it was not windy and there was just one of us, it would have sufficed. But this definitely wasn't going to be of any use to us on this particular outing.
All right, Jess is gonna go get sandwich stuff because the girls are hungry. What?
Take it out. We're going so fast.
Not really. Come on! Ah! Come on!
Are you happy?
Yes! Why do you keep asking me that?
You said you're happy.
Oh my god. I'm not like a little kid, I just go, ah! Dang, that was a big one. I'm just gonna hang out in the water so I don't get as cold. Ah! Come on. There we go. Stand up, girls. It's like 2 feet deep here. Not even 2 feet, like a foot and a half.
After getting our fix of surf, sand, and sun, we decided to do some cruising down the beach. And later, Jessica and Jasmine headed back to the condo to chill at the swimming pool, while Brooke and I decided to do some more exploring.
Smile. What kind of smile is that? All right, we're gonna check out the pier just to kind of go out and get a different perspective. Most people go out here to fish, but we don't have any fishing gear, but it should be pretty cool. All permit. Do we need a permit? Check it out. Ah, that's what he wanted. Oh, see how big that fish was? Look, he's like, delicious. Clean the fish here. Clouds are picking up. See some heavier clouds. He's cutting the line. I think he's cutting it so he can get out. Yeah, but that's not how's he gonna survive now? See you swim, Brooke. Oh, my little starfish. All right, we're all freshened up, ready to go to dinner after the pool and the beach. Yeah, it looks busy as can all be.
Oh my god.
Yeah, look at that weight.
Fisherman's Wharf and Grumble Seafood.
Yeah, they don't have like any lines. The play?
Lights were shining.
Oh, yeah.
Well, at least you can see my face good, too.
All right, here we are driving back on the beach. All right, got a man of war. Step on that guy, sting a little. All right, we just drove out onto the beach. At night, you never know what you'll find, like birds, crabs, man o' war,
Sharks.
We're not gonna go in the water, but it's still pretty cool to be out at night at the beach. All right, we're about out of here. And we got some major rain on our way. It's already starting to rain.
We made it out before the rain.
Girls, look how dark it is up ahead.
This intense line of thunderstorms lasted for over an hour, and despite being mid-morning, it was as dark enough for the streetlights to be on.
We're about to hit this like wall of dark clouds here.
Eventually, we passed the storm and made it back home safe and sound. Thanks for coming along on our little weekend getaway to the beach. If you enjoyed this, please hit the like and smash that subscribe button to be notified of the next motoring adventure, and we'll see you next time.